In this video, you'll learn how to switch from Binance Beginner to Advanced mode. By following these steps, you will gain access to a more comprehensive trading interface that includes various tools and features tailored for experienced users. Begin by launching the Binance mobile application on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once signed in, locate the profile icon or the settings menu, typically found in the upper corner of the app's main screen. Tapping on this icon will take you to your account settings. After accessing the settings menu, look for the option labeled interface mode or something similar. This option is crucial as it allows you to change the display settings of the app. Once you find this setting, tap on it to proceed to the next step. Next, you will see the available modes, including beginner and advanced. Select the advanced mode option. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to switch modes. Confirm your choice and the interface will update almost instantly, providing you with a new set of tools and features designed for advanced trading. Following the switch to advanced mode, take some time to familiarize yourself with the updated layout. You can adjust the chart display and enable additional indicators that are now available. This customization allows for a more tailored trading experience based on your preferences and strategies. Exploring these new tools can greatly enhance your trading efficiency. As you navigate through the advanced interface, practice using the various features to become comfortable with the layout. This step is essential for optimizing your trading experience as it ensures you can utilize all the tools effectively. Remember to take your time and explore the functionalities provided in this mode. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.